Imagine diagnosing a car faster than a dealership with a scan tool that costs a fraction of what the pros use. Well, today I'm breaking down the brand new Launch X431 PRO3 APEX, the upgraded 2025 version loaded with new features like topology mapping, wireless DB SCAR7, online coding, and over 55 service functions. If you've been searching for a powerful diagnostic tool that can take your DIY or shop workflow to the next level, stay with me. This one is a game changer. Product features. Alright, let's talk features because the X431 PRO3 APEX is packed. 1. Fully upgraded 2025 hardware. Runs on Android 10.0, 2.0 GHz quad-core CPU for faster multitasking, dual-band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi up to 5 times faster data transfer, huge 4 GB plus 64 GB memory, massive 6300 mAh battery, about 15 hours of continuous diagnostics, and yes, it supports CAN-FD and DOEP, so it can diagnose modern vehicles and 24-volt heavy-duty trucks with the HD module. This thing is built for speed, power, and modern vehicles. 2. OEM-level topology mapping. This is normally a feature you only see on $3,000-plus diagnostic platforms. With one-click full system scanning, the tool shows every ECU in a colorful map. You see module connections, DTCs, and system status instantly. You can even view 12-in-1 live data graphing at the same time. This drastically improves your troubleshooting accuracy and cuts diagnostic time by 200%. Note, topology isn't supported on every vehicle, but when it works, it's incredible. 3. Dealer-level all-system diagnostics. The PRO3 APEX can scan 100-plus modules depending on the car: engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, BCM, TCM, ADAS systems, and more. It also includes AutoVIN, detects your car automatically, remote diagnostics, launch-to-launch or PC remote support, guided functions, walkthroughs for tricky repairs, full system, read, clear DTCs, bidirectional active tests, live data visualization. Perfect for those who want dealership-level insight without dealership-level cost. 5. Online and offline ECU coding and customization. This is where the tool becomes a professional-level beast. Flash hidden features, reset adaptive data, replace or code new modules, customize OE settings, add courtesy light functions, configure power windows, wipers, mirrors, lights, and more. If you're into coding, retrofitting, or customizing, this tool opens the door to all of it. 5. 55-plus service functions. You get almost every service reset a shop could need, including oil reset, EPB, SAS calibration, DPF regen, throttle relearn, injector coding, TPMS reset, battery matching, ABS bleeding, gear relearn, and dozens more. If your car needs it, this tool probably does it. Pros and cons. Pros: massively upgraded 2025 hardware, fast and smooth. Dual Wi-Fi, super quick data transmission, topology mapping normally found in high-end professional tools, full bidirectional control for deep testing, online and offline ECU coding, supports CAN-FD and DOEP for newer cars, works with 24-volt heavy-duty trucks, HD module required, long-lasting 6300 mAh battery, large 10.1-inch display, easy to read outdoors, covers 10,000-plus global vehicles. Cons: topology mapping is not supported on all vehicles. ECU coding functions vary depending on manufacturer, requires internet for some online features and updates, higher price than basic scanners but justified by features. Overall review: the Launch X431 PRO3 APEX is one of the strongest scan tools you can get without spending dealership-level money. If you're a DIY enthusiast, this might be the most advanced scanner you'll ever need. If you're a mobile mechanic or shop owner, this is an affordable, powerful, and professional-grade diagnostic tool that can easily fit into daily workflow. Between the ECU coding, bidirectional tests, topology mapping, and hardware upgrades, it's absolutely worth it for anyone who wants real diagnostic power. If you got value from this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair, and share this video with someone who loves working on cars. And if you want to check out the Launch X431 PRO3 APEX, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.